Welcome back to Processing Brains. In this video, we will learn how to download and install Firefox browser in Windows 11. So here I have Windows 11 installed, and to download and install Firefox browser in Windows 11, simply go and open up any browser. In my case, I'm opening up the Edge browser, and here go and type in for Firefox and hit enter. So you can see mozilla.org download Firefox for Windows. Click on this. This would open up this menu. Here simply go and click on download now. So it says your download should begin automatically. So here you can see the installer has downloaded. Click on this one to open. You can also directly go to downloads folder and open it from here. So you can see the installation process had started, and in the process it would first download all the files from internet, and the next process is to install it. So the process has started. Even if I go to task manager to see how much internet is being used to download, so you can see 3 Mbps, 3.8, 4, 3.7. So it's now downloading, and it could take a while. So I think I would be back when this download process has completed. So I'm just pausing the video. I'll join you when this download process has completed. So the download is almost complete, and it has automatically completed the installation process without asking anything. And here you can see it has started out Firefox. So here you have, and if you want to browse anything, for example, I will go with the YouTube. So this would simply just go and open this up without any question or anything. So here you can see my internet is a bit slow, so it is taking time. But you can see the Firefox has completely installed itself without any question or any menu. So hope by doing so you will be able to download and install Mozilla Firefox browser in Windows 11. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.